How do you deal with the stress? Well, it's not actually you, but your incredibly important glands that do so. The adrenal glands, as they secrete hormones that enable the body to respond to the stress of life, both emotional and physical ones. Just imagine for a while, what would happen if it were not present, and our bodies were unable to cope with the stress? Well, we would eventually die within 3 to 15 days. Keeping that in mind, how important they are. Adrenal glands are known to be the life-saving glands, or essential endocrine glands. These glands are found sitting on the top of each kidney, hence also named as suprarenal glands, having weight of 4 grams each. Now, here is the right adrenal gland. You can see that it is shaped like a pyramid and is present posterior to the right lobe of the liver. The inferior vena cava lies medial to the adrenal gland, while on the lateral side, it has the right cross of the diaphragm. When it comes to the left adrenal gland, it is crescent-shaped and larger than the right one. Anterior to it is a part of the pancreas, stomach, and occasionally the spleen, while on the lateral side, it has the diaphragm's left cross. The diaphragm also lies posterior to both adrenal glands. Now, both adrenal glands consist of 2 distinct parts. Do you recall what I'm talking about? Well, there is an outer part that accounts for approximately 80% of the gland, adrenal cortex, and a central part called adrenal medulla. That accounts for about 20% of the gland. Adrenal medulla develops from neural crest that gives origin to sympathetic nervous system. So, the hormones secreted by the adrenal medulla perform functions that resemble sympathetic nervous system. It releases the catecholamine hormones, adrenaline or epinephrine, and noradrenaline or norepinephrine. The adrenal cortex, on the other hand, originate from mesodermal tissue, mesonephros, which gives rise to the renal tissues, primarily under the control of the anterior pituitary gland. Adrenal cortex secretes 3 groups of steroid hormones, mineralocorticoids, like aldosterone and deoxycortisone, glucocorticoids, like cortisol and androgens, such as dehydroepiandrosterone or DHEA. Now that you have learned about the adrenal gland and its 2 parts, in the next sections, we'll go through each of these components in depth.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.